Hey there, Fletcher from All Things Overlanding here, and today I'm going to be talking about this new solar panel, 200-watt solar panel from BougeRV that I'm going to be adding to my camper in a few months when it comes. Now this thing is super thin. It comes with pre-installed adhesive on the back of it, and this is a new technology for solar that is more efficient than both monocrystalline and polycrystalline cells that you've seen before. It's also flexible, which makes it able to be installed on non-flat surfaces, and that's why it's going to be perfect for my camper. So today I'm going to walk you through this thing. I'm just going to talk a little bit about features and kind of why I chose this one for my camper. And of course, there will be a link in the description down below if you want to check this out in more detail or pick one up for yourself, so definitely check that out. But let's get into the BougeRV copper indium gallium selenide, or CIGS, solar panel.
Understand where it came from, but you got it, my got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you gave to me. Loosening my grip.
All right, guys, so as I mentioned in the intro today, I'm talking about this new flexible solar panel from BougeRV. Now, this thing is super cool. I mean, as you can see, it's a new technology. So it's called CIGS, which stands for copper indium gallium selenide solar cells. So this is a new type of solar cells, different from the old polycrystalline or monocrystalline, but it allows them to make them much thinner. I mean, as you can see, this thing is so thin. I mean, it's like the width of a piece of paper, basically. And then I did get mine pre-installed with the adhesive because this is going to go on the top of my camper when I get it. It'll provide 200 watts of solar power. This thing performs extremely well in lower light. Now you do want to look at the measurements, and I'll throw them up on screen here because this is a pretty long solar panel. So you want to make sure that you have the room for it on top of, say, your rooftop tent or your van or your camper or whatever you're putting this thing on, but make sure that the dimensions line up for your use. This thing weighs only about 7 pounds, which is extremely light. So again, trying to reduce weight up high is my goal always with off-roading and overlanding, because the more stuff you put up top, the heavier you are up top, the more off-kilter you're going to feel when you're off-roading. So having a lot less weight, my rigid panel I think weighs about 20 or 30 pounds, somewhere in that ballpark. This thing weighs 7. So it's going to weigh a lot less, which is going to reduce my weight up high, which is what I'm going for. Again, this CIGS technology allows this thing to generate a ton more power in overcast, shaded, or kind of like late evening conditions. Because it's flexible too, you can also bend this thing, right? So, I mean, as you can see, it came rolled up in the box. But then once you put this on top of, say, your camper or whatever, if it's not a perfectly flat surface, the nice thing is this will conform to it. So again, versus like a rigid panel, this thing will fit on a lot of different applications that a rigid panel may not work for. This thing is rated IP68 waterproof, so you know you can put it up there and just not worry about it. Again, my plan is to run this 24/7 on my camper once I get it, so this thing will definitely be going up there and just staying. And another nice thing to mention is, of course, it's BougeRV, right? Which I've always known BougeRV as kind of the solar panel company. Like I've bought their solar connectors before. My current solar panel is a BougeRV rigid 200-watt bifacial solar panel, and it's up there generating power right now. But then I've also got their cords, their extension cords here that run down then to my dual battery setup in the bed of my truck. So again, when I think solar, I think of BougeRV, and I've had a ton of success with their products. So that's why I chose to go with this one for the new camper. But they have great support. You know, you can get a hold of people if you need to. If you ever have any questions or issues, you can get a hold of them, which is nice. All right, guys. So as you saw, this was the BougeRV 200-watt CIGS solar panel. This thing is more efficient than the traditional versions that we've had. It's thinner than the traditional ones. It operates better in low light and things like that. So that's why I picked this up, because I want 200 watts, which is what I'm running now with the BougeRV bifacial solar panel, but without having to have all that extra height on top of it. I didn't want to have to purchase extra rails for my camper. I didn't want to have to mount this hard, rigid solar panel up there that adds, 3 to 4 inches on top of the camper. So I wanted to keep a low profile just with this new camper. And this thing is really long, but also very flat. And because it has the adhesive on it already, it's going to be a piece of cake to install when I get my new camper. So hopefully that was helpful for you. Of course, like always, if it was, there's a link in the description down below that you can click through to go pick one up for yourself. Also, make sure that you click that like button. That helps a ton. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure to click that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified when new videos drop, because I do a couple videos every week. I do a podcast every 2 weeks. So there's tons of content around overlanding, especially newbie or budget-minded overlanding here. If you'd like to follow along on other channels, I've got links to all my social channels down below too, so check those out. There's also a link to my website where I've got funny overlanding camping themed patches and stickers, things like don't burn your wiener and it's a hot dog, or I hate people so I camp. So definitely check those out if you want stuff to decorate your fridge or your rig. Then below this video is also a join button, which is just sort of a passive way to support the channel, get you early access to the videos and some other perks. But if you want to be more involved with all things overlanding, there's also a link to my Patreon page down there, which is awesome. We've got a ton of awesome guys in there. We have a 24/7 Discord. We have a once a month Zoom call where we chat, and we're going on a couple trips every year. So if that sounds good to you, check that out. And then last but not least, there is a link to my Facebook group that I run called Newbie Overlanders, which is just a great place for new folks, but also experienced folks. If you're tired of the big groups and all the bullying and self-promotion and stuff in there, check this out, because it's just, we don't allow any of that stuff. So it's just a more clean, kind of more fun place to be. So if you want to ask questions, if you want to learn, if you want to help people that are new to overlanding, that'd be a great place, and we'd love to have you. But again, that will do it for the BougeRV CIGS 200-watt flexible solar panel. Check it out through the link in the description below, and we'll see you next time.